Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to work on section 7.4, and this section is about sum to product and product to sum formulas. So we are going to have, for example, some product of two trig function, and we are going to write this product as a sum or difference, or we are going to have sum or difference of two trig functions, and we are going to rewrite those as a product of two trig functions. Okay, so and those formulas actually are coming from the sum and difference formulas. So it is from 7.2. So we are just using those formulas, those theorems, to obtain these new formulas. Okay, so what are those formulas? First of all, let me go over the let me pick my color first. Okay, so first of all, sum product to sum formulas. Okay, so cosine A times cosine B is equal to 1/2 cosine of A plus B plus cosine of A minus B. For example, how can we come up with this formula? We can just find what is cosine of A plus B, cosine of A minus B using the sum or and difference formulas. And if you sum them up and divide it by 2, you will see that you will get only cosine A times cosine B. Okay. Similarly, sine A times sine B is equal to 1/2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Sine A cosine B is equal to 1/2 sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Okay, these are the product to sum formulas. Product to sum. Okay, let's look at these examples. Write -3 sine 2x sine 4x as a sum or difference of sine and or cosines. Okay, in this case setup we have sine times sine, right? So we are gonna use the second formula since we have sine times sine, and this 3 is just a constant, right? So it will stay as is. -3 times. So in this setup, a is 2x and b is 4x, right? So it will be cosine of, sorry, I forgot to add 1/2. 1/2 cosine of, this is a, right? This is b. Cosine of the 2x, so a minus b, so 2x minus 4x minus cosine of a plus b, 2x plus 4x. And let me try to rewrite it. So it will be -3/2 cosine of -2x minus cosine of 6x, right? And lastly, as we all know, the cosine is eating this minus inside the parentheses, right? So cosine of 2x minus cosine of 6x. Okay, that's it. This is one example how to use product to sum formulas to rewrite a product as a sum or difference. Okay, I hope it's okay and clear for everyone. Let's look at the next example. Cosine 8x times sine 4x. Okay, so this time we are gonna use the third formula, right? But what is a and what is b in this case? Be careful. To use this formula, we need to have sine first and cosine next, right? That's why in the setup, a is 4x and b is 8x. So that whole thing, maybe I can also put equal here. So that whole, maybe I can also even write them. Sine 4x times cosine 8x is equal to sine 4x. So a is, right, 4x, b is 8x. So then let me use this formula. 1/2 sine of a plus b, 4x plus 8x, plus sine of a minus b for x minus 8x, right? Okay. So that's equal to 1/2 sine of 12x plus sine of minus 4x. 1/2 sine of 12x. And now, as you may remember, sinus cannot eat the minus, right? It just take the minus and pull it out. So it will be minus, so plus minus, so it will be just minus sine of 4x. All right. Okay, that's it for product to sum formulas. In the next video, I'm going to talk about sum to product formulas. Okay, so for now, let me stop here.